Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is secret will. So, God's secret will refers to His hidden decrees, eternal plans by which He governs the universe and ordains everything that's come to pass. Unlike His revealed will, which is made known to us in Scripture, His secret will is inaccessible until it is fulfilled in history. This doctrine emphasizes God's absolute sovereignty. Nothing happens apart from His wise, holy, and good purposes, even if His reasons remain hidden to us. While we are not called to uncover or predict His secret will, we rest in the assurance that all things both good and difficult unfold according to His perfect plan, for His glory and our ultimate good. So, ayon po sa Deuteronomy chapter 29 verse 29, the secret things belong to the Lord our God, but the things revealed belong to us and to our children forever, that we may follow all the words of His law. So, ayon sa ating katuruan, sinasabi po dito na some secrets are hidden forever. So, may mga sikreto si God na hindi niya talaga ipapakita sa atin kasi hindi ito kailangan para sa ating kaligtasan o buhay ngayon. Only God knows. So, also, some secrets are yet to be revealed. So, may mga bagay na hindi pa natin naintindihan ngayon, pero in God's perfect timing, ipapakita niya sa tamang panahon. And then, next is, some secrets are revealed to God's people and hidden to others. So, yung mga tunay na sumusunod at iniwala kay God, binibigyan niya ng special understanding. Pero para sa iba, parang nakatago pa rin. So, sa applications naman po, sinasabi po dito na, stop seeking answers when there are no answers. So, huwag natin pilitin maintindihan ang lahat. Kapag walang sagot, trust God's wisdom. He knows better. Next is, submit your future to God with full trust. So, ibigay natin ang future natin sa Kanya. Hindi man natin makita lahat ngayon, pero God is in control. So, isurrender natin sa Kanya lahat. So, kumbaga, ipaubaya natin sa Kanya kasi siya ang mas nakakaalam. Next is, share the secrets of the kingdom with hearts that are ready to listen and believe. So, kung anong revelations at truth na pinapakita sa atin ni God, i-share natin, pero piliin din natin yung mga handang makinig at miniwala kasi doon ito natutubo. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.